What's in my refrigerator vlog? This is the family hub. These are all my, I don't know, Bath, Santorini, Castle Combe. That's Hawaii, I think. Israel. Anyways, this is the vlog. I have nata de coco. Oops. This is, I guess, roll. Yakult. Habano juice. Bell pepper strips. Salads. Buku juice in a box. Taho. Almond soy pudding taho in a container. My milked almonds. I like that title, that's why I bought it. Apple, cherries, lychee, tomatoes from my garden. Well, it's actually a balcony. Gochujang. Salted duck egg. I guess it's, ano ba to? Yung salted na eggs. Salsa. Yogurt. Greek yogurt. Hot dogs. Oh, I still have the Sprite de Kyoto. Oh, this is so good. I don't want to let it go. It's like mochi slash crepe. And then I have the chicken salad from Trader Joe's. I have cacio di pepe ravioli from Trader Joe's and salads, Greek salad. I have, what's these? I have organic microgreens. And then I have kimchi. I bought kimchi last time. Oof, kimchi. This is my leftover. Did I show you lychee? I don't know if I showed lychee. And then I have one piece La Flanca. I know it's so delicious. Langka. And then I have kamote. I have like one kamote that's boiled. Darlington, I'm vlogging.
Oh, anyway, so she went to go see
Darlington, I'm vlogging.
the lady that has Bucci.
I know, Bucci.
But then
I have
she didn't even
Kerrygold
care about
butter.
the lady. She only cared to go sniff Bucci.
I thought we know
And then
that
she was like,
already.
oh, you didn't want to say hi to me? And I go, oh, I guess she's more into dogs today then.
She's always like that.
No, she
And
usually
then we have
cares about the
pineapple
people.
and mushroom and pechay and sibuyas. I have like one tomato. Oh, I have rice. We're eating like, our rice is like sticky rice, sweet rice. I have tofu and all of that things. I don't know, I don't do one by one. Okay, this is eggplant. This eggplant looks funny. My machine is going cuckoo. And then I have rambutan from Trader Joe's. Let's see. Here we go. Rambutan. I know, I hope I don't forget it. Maybe I'll eat it tonight. And then I have mango. I actually got like mango that's like yellow and it's sweet, but this one is green. I haven't tasted it. I have papaya. Delicious. What else in here? Let's go here. I have matcha. I have caramel macchiato. I have beef broth. Oh, that's my favorite. The Japanese soda. Well, actually this is iced tea, but it's peach. I haven't gotten the one that I like from Japan. I think it was peach also. Maybe not. I don't know. And we have organic eggs. And that's it. Oh, I have this plant-based cheese. Baby Bell. It's so delicious. I need to clean my refrigerator. Anyways, I think that's it. Oh, I have the Pasadena is my favorite salad, by the way, from Trader Joe's. And the chicken salad. I always get that. And then, what else is here? I have the Greek salad that I showed already, and then the crunchy slaw. I love it. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. It's now 6:30. Hey Google. Oh. What's the weather like? How come it's not doing it? Anyway, so this is YouTube, Amazon. I don't know, why is it not? It's not talking. Hey Bigsby. Set time.
I didn't understand that.
Oh. What's the weather like? Hey Bigsby. What's the weather like?
In San Diego, it is partly cloudy and 53 degrees right now.
Thank you.